Tell me what AHA Foundation is.
Sure. AHA Foundation is a nonprofit.
No, tell me what it means.
Oh, it's our founder's name. Excuse me. Ayan Hirsi Ali. She was a survivor of forced marriage and female genital mutilation.
AHA. Okay.
So
3 minutes.
Thank you. I am Michele Hanash. I am the Director of Policy and Women's Programs at the AHA Foundation. We are a nonprofit working to end harmful practices like child marriage. We also receive those help requests from individuals fleeing forced marriages across the U.S., including from minors. And it is because of these heartbreaking stories that we are so adamantly in support of SB359 and keeping the marriage age at 18 and eliminating the dangerous loopholes that allow for children to be entered into marriage. And I believe in the past it had been asked whether it would be a good idea to add a military exception to the marriage age. That's not currently the law, and that's not proposed in SB 359, but I'd like to take just a few minutes to explain why that would not be a good idea. So first, to explain the common misconception, you do not need to be married to list the mother of your baby or anyone for that matter as the beneficiary of your death benefits. And as you heard, children receive service members' benefits regardless of their marital status, and using other spousal benefits that would not apply, like health insurance or housing, to a non-married partner are not a reason to keep children entered into child marriage. Using someone's current financial dependency as a justification for child marriage will only keep them further dependent and reliant on public assistance, government aid for a lifetime. We all believe that there are other solutions than entering children into contractual sexual relationships in order to receive housing or health care. We would say Medicaid, not marriage. And sadly, people sitting here today testifying in support of this bill have had to help children who are being forced to marry service members. And those children receive protection as much as any child being forced to marry a civilian. And you should know military exceptions are not the norm. Only one state, Alaska, has a military exception. We couldn't find any country, even in a war-torn area like Afghanistan, that actually has a service member exception. We have support from service member advocacy groups who are saying, don't support child marriage in our name. A letter of support was submitted by Protect Our Defenders saying just this: we urge you to listen to them and not cling to child marriage, a harmful practice that prevents girls from having liberty, economic freedom, educational opportunities. We urge you to pass this legislation as soon as possible. Thank you so much.